Ramadan is the holy month of fasting, prayer and reflection for Muslims around the world. Here are 15 things to do during Ramadan. 1. Read the Quran daily. Reading the Quran is an important part of Ramadan, so make time to read it every day. 2. Make lots of dua. Ramadan is a time for prayer, so make dua for yourself, your family, and the entire Muslim community. 3. Eat together. Ramadan is the month to do all good things, which includes family too. 4. Pray Taraweeh. Taraweeh prayers are a special Ramadan prayer performed after Isha prayer. 5. Repent to Allah. Ask Allah for forgiveness for known or unknown sins for all the Muslims around the world. 6. Perform acts of charity. Ramadan is the perfect time to perform acts of charity like giving zakat or sadaqah. 7. Tahajjud prayer. Want extra rewards and your du'as to be answered? Tahajjud is the key. 8. Visit the sick. We are too busy in worldly things, but never forget to visit the sick. 9. Forgive. Having a clean heart and moving on with life is only possible when you forgive people. 10. Maintain family ties. The Prophet said, "He who wishes that his sustenance be increased for him and his death day be delayed, then he should pay attention to his kinsfolk." 11. Be generous. Generosity is a key principle that Islam educates us on. The acts of selflessness and remaining humble are key traits of ideal character in Islam. 12. Do dhikr. Watch Islamic videos and do lots of dhikr. 13. Speech. Be careful of what you speak, guard your tongue. 14. Provide iftar. One of the easiest way to earn good deeds and blessing by providing iftar. 15. Reflect on your blessings. Finally, take time during Ramadan to reflect on your blessings and express gratitude for everything in your life. We hope these 15 amazing things to do during Ramadan help you experience the real essence of Ramadan and change your lifestyle after Ramadan as well.